Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Albums at the bottom. If you decided to choose Photos, hold the chosen one. And to select all of them right away, use this dot at the top right corner. Now to exclude some pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete your pictures from albums, tap on Albums, click on the chosen one, and hold one of your pictures as well. This time though, you need to tap on Select All at the top right corner. Now exclude and delete your photos the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!